Hi, my name is Peter Harriman, and I work as a certified business advisor for the Maine Small Business Development Center. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about business plans. The Maine Small Business Development Center has created a free, downloadable business plan guide called Writing a Business Plan. You can find this guide on our website at www.mainespdc.org. This guide takes each section of the business plan and explains it in detail with an example. We also created these short videos to help explain those sections as well. If you feel confident about a particular section, you can always skip to the next section. However, if you feel like you need a little more help than what this guide or the videos can provide, please always feel free to request advising either through our website or calling us at 207-780-4949 to request some of our free confidential advising at our locations throughout the state. Now, our advisors are often asked, why should I do a business plan and how can I do a business plan? That's what this guide and the video is for. Ultimately, a business plan is a tool for you, the business owner, to understand your business. The business plan forces a business owner to look at their business at every angle, from marketing to competition to industry analysis to your own pricing. The business plan is a very important tool, not just for people looking to get into business, but for people already in business. It's a never-ending document that should always be looked at and updated. Business plans are also used to help you secure financing, either from a lender or investor. Business plans are a way for other people to understand how you're putting your business together and how it's going to work. There is no one right way to make a business plan. There's a lot of examples online. The only way to make a business plan wrong is to not have enough information in the business plan for someone to make a decision. So let's go through these videos together and understand how to put a business plan together.